I mean, if they want the fucking smoke, we can just take out all their fucking tires right now before they can even do anything, and then they're fucked.
Just like, dude, it's like we've been building a relationship with these guys. Like, are you that thirsty for a fight? Jesus Christ.
I mean, they are, but...
Yeah, I know. It was a rhetorical question.
I gathered. I mean, bro. White car just pulled up front right of the compound.
We're going, they're fighting, we're fighting.
Okay.
Well, then that's the initiation, yeah?
Are we initiating? Yeah, there you go.
Alright, well, it is weird.
2 of them are out by the little red brick.
There's one around
on the left-hand side.
My pockets are fucked, bro.
By the water towers.
Well, they could be jumping up here, by the way, bro. Has anyone got eyes on the front of our building?
On the front.
You hear them, bro? Frank,
He's
you
holding
hear
on
them?
the
They're
right
trying to
side.
get up.
Yeah.
They're trying to get up. They're trying to get up this our side of the building now, bro.
Yep.
There's bum rushing the wall. On the wall by the cook.
Can you guys get eyes on the front? They're climbing.
Lit up Draco.
I just heard them climb a ladder.
I've not smoked one of them. I fucking...
One's on the water. Stop. I don't think I can shoot through this railing.
They're all at the front, bro. One's in the
white
car,
car's
one's in the
moving.
car.
Smoking real quick.
I don't see Draco's car. Is there one still close?
White car on the runway.
Can't even see an angle.
No, I fell over. I'm dead, boys.
Oh. I got you. Try to get safe.
Okay, yeah, keep going.
I fucking hate this roof, bro. I want to go on the ground. He's pushing up right side. Yeah, he went back. There's 2 behind there. 2 behind that thing on the right.
Yeah, 2 of them in the field. 2 of them in the field.
The guns will go that far. One in the car, one in the white car, one in the white car behind the red and white.
I've got to climb down for it to be effective.
I lit the guy up in the...
I'm fucked up, but I made it down. Healing up.
Okay, we're good.
I gotta push this wall OTT.
Can they jump over?
Marco's still good. Marco's still up.
Can they jump over?
They can climb up on their cars, yeah.
Frankie, there's one trying to bait the right-hand side. Don't take the bait.
Yeah.
Don't take the bait.
One in the back, in the very back on the other side of the fence.
He's still baiting it on the right silo.
Yeah, just leave it, bro. What we'll do is if they start peeking for real or start moving, we'll both peek at the same time.
Up in the wall.
Trying to move. They're trying to
On
get
the
a
wall. He fell back down. He fell back down. Up on our
Up, right up,
on the tin roof. Tin roof.
right above us. Tin roof.
You guys should have a shot at him from the roof.
Frankie, cover that shit. I'm gonna cover these boys on this side over here.
I feel so rusty. I haven't been on my computer in fucking 3 days.
They're still trying to hop the wall.
Still one on tin. Still one on tin.
He's underneath tin now. Two of them. They're running around down underneath tin on the opposite side of the wall from you, from the cook.
Okay, play your right hand peaks, guys.
He's on radio. Two of them pushing up against the wall on by tin.
One's on the RV wall.
Still one on tin. One on tin.
They're gonna try hopping over.
Jumped in. They all jumped in.
Got one. One down. One.
Draco by the RV.
Dude, I want to push down and help them.
I can come around.
He jumped down tin.
We need help at the silo. OTT on your left.
I'm coming down.
Here, he's in corner. I'm pushing him. Healing.
Push back.
I'm here. We got you. Just heal.
One pushing me. I got one on each side. Two of us.
Oh, are you behind me, Enrico?
Yeah. It's in the back. In the back. Back wall.
You should come down here, bro. Unless you have a good
because
spot.
then you lose the high ground from the guy on tin.
Crawl.
I'm armoring.
Dude, I want to push in. Pulled car around to the back. Opposite side of tin from you, OTT.
You gotta hurry and pick me up, bro. You gotta hurry. Hurry, right now.
Bro, like...
I'm about to get.
It's literally just sad. I don't know why I'm trying to pick him up when I know he's gonna get an angle on me, bro. I should have just fought. So disappointing. It's probably just Enrico left.
You still up?
I literally don't know why I listened when he said, like, hurry. But it made it seem so urgent. Like, that I was safe.
I'm trying to grab one of their bodies. I can't. I got one. I'm allowed. I need armor.
That was just not the play to try to pick him up right there. I do not know why I listened. Could have had these guys.
I need a backpack for a bit. I'll give it back if anything.
Yeah.
Anybody got plates, bro? I need plates real quick, man.
No, I called car around back. What I wanted to do is Enrico come down, and then we go on the left side here. We go behind the guy that's going behind us. We win the fight. But like, when Marco was like, "You got to do it now. You got to pick me up. You got to pick me up," I just like felt like my brain just went to fucking try to pick him up, you know? Just annoying to not have a chance to fight. At first, when I was picking him up, I was trying to do it by WASD, because you could do that with the other arrow hacks. But it wasn't working, so it like took me a second. Like, in those times, you just gotta be more aggressive. I think Enrico's still up on top of there. He might, like, there might only be 2 of them left. I don't know. I know we downed a couple. I mean, if he runs the ones with Enrico, Enrico might smoke his shit. 3v1. The streets are watching. Thanks for the follow, man. Welcome, welcome. Appreciate it. Oh, this guy's fucked up. If there's 3 of them, it's cooked. But if there's 2 of them, it's pretty doable. They're gonna push them together right now. I knew better than that too, dude. I'm fucking dumb for trying to pick him up. I should not have listened. I knew I was like wide open to the left when I was doing that. I just tried to get it off quick though. They're trying to figure out a way to get behind him as well. Draco's fucked.